preserve the unity and integrity of our great nation. The moment we all have been waiting for has arrived. We are proud to welcome our guests for today. Let us greet them with a thunderous round of applause. As we celebrate the pride and glory of our nation on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, let us unfold this celebration with reverence and joy. Now over to Pavli.
Let your spirit soar high like our flag in the sky. As we begin today's program, let us invoke peace, harmony and blessings with a soulful prayer song. Music has the power to touch hearts and unite spirits, and what better way to start them with a melodious invocation that brings calm and connection to our gathering. With the warm greetings, let's start the celebration by seeking blessings from Almighty.
We are gathered here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day, a proud occasion observed across our nation with great zeal and enthusiasm. We are here to honor and cherish the 78 glorious years of independence, a journey marked by sacrifice, unity and progress. We, on the behalf of Sacred Heart Fraternity, take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to be a part of this splendid and spectacular Independence Day celebration.
Tavish, do you know why do we celebrate Independence Day?
Of course, Shagun. We celebrate this day with pomp and show. This is celebrated as India got independence from Britishers on 15th August 1947.
So, to commemorate the sacrifice of our freedom fighters, we are going to celebrate the 79th Independence Day in the premises of Sacred Heart Convent School with the theme Honoring Freedom, Inspiring the Future. This is not just a theme, it is a call to remember the bravery of the past and awaken the dreamers of tomorrow. As we begin our celebration, let us carry hope and gratitude in our hearts. Hope for the freedom earned and gratitude for the future we are yet to create. Now I would like to call Soumya.
Everyone present here, we extend a warm and respectful welcome to our worthy director, Father Sebastian Balashiri, our respected principal, Reverend Sister Tristan Maria, our primary head, Reverend Sister Prakashika, and our pre-primary head, Reverend Sister Maria Sibin, to come forward for the floral welcome to honor their gracious presence. Now we present a bouquet, a token of love, respect and appreciation. Now I would like to call in charges of class 9 to
ignite patriotism and unite us in one rhythm, the rhythm of India. To fill this atmosphere with national pride and melody, we now present before you a group singing performance by our talented school choir. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
भूमि की शान का है, हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगे को, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है।
for her address. Sister, please come forward. Give her a big round of applause.
Reverend Father Sebastian, our school director, Reverend Sister Pragasda, Primary Church, and Sister Sibi, KG Church, my dear teachers, and my dear beloved students. A very happy Independence Day to each one of you. Today, as we gather to celebrate 78 years of freedom, and tomorrow we are actually doing 79th Independence Day of our beloved nation. We pause to honor the countless sacrifices of our freedom fighters who, with unmatched courage and unwavering determination, gifted us this priceless legacy of freedom. We remember their struggles, their dreams, and their vision of a strong, united, and progressive India. Freedom, you repeat it. Honoring freedom, inspiring the future, which reminds us that our journey as a nation does not stop at independence. It continues through each one of us in how we live and how we treat others and how we contribute to the growth and harmony of our country. We are almost 80 years into our freedom, and in these decades, India has witnessed remarkable progress in science, technology, education, healthcare, and global presence. Yet, we are also reminded that the spirit of patriotism must go beyond flags and celebrations. It must shine through our daily actions. Our honesty, our respect for others, our care for environment, and our responsibility towards building a just and inclusive society. Dear students, you are the future of our nation, and we all are proud of you. And be proud of your roots, be fearless in your dreams, and be faithful in your duties. And let's promise to honor the sacrifices of our heroes, not just in words, but in how we live our life with integrity, compassion, and dedication. So may God continue to bless our motherland with the peace, prosperity, and harmony. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
India's beauty lies in its vibrant diversity, and nothing expresses that more joyfully than dance. On this day, when tricolor flutters proudly in the sky, we are reminded not only the freedom we cherish, but also of unity that binds us together as one nation. And now, to add colors of joy and rhythm to this celebration, let us welcome our energetic dance performers. They are all set to fill this stage with their patriotic spirit through their dance. So everyone, let's cheer for our amazing dancers and enjoy their performance.
लेते और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के समाज के सपने को पूरा अपने लोग, अपना राज, अपना गौरव, अटक से खटक तक संपूर्ण भारत।
है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम हार दो। धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान या के जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड
What a wonderful performance! Our talented dancers have truly taken us on a captivating cultural journey. Now I would like to call Rachit and Arnav for their thought-provoking speech on Independence Day.
Secret to freedom is the secret to happiness is freedom, and the secret to freedom is courage. A very warm afternoon to everyone present here. Today, as we gather beneath the fluttering tricolor and the echo of our national anthem fills the air, we are not merely celebrating a date on the calendar. We are honoring an idea, the idea of freedom.
And not just freedom from colonial rule, but freedom that touches every part of who we are, our voice, our values, our identity, and our dreams. आज़ादी से एक अधिकार नहीं, एक जिम्मेदारी है. 78 years ago, on the midnight of August 15, 1947, India awoke to life and freedom. But this awakening was not sudden. It was born of centuries of struggle, of resistance, and of ordinary people doing extraordinary things.
Some carried weapons, some carried the weight of imprisonment, but many more carried hope. And that hope is why we stand free today. संसार की कोई ताकत भारत को गुलाम नहीं बना सकती जब तक हम खुद ना चाहें. So, what does it mean to honor that freedom? It means remembering that independence is not an inheritance. It is a responsibility.
It means understanding that while we are free from foreign rule, we must also free ourselves from poverty, inequality, hatred, and corruption. असल आज़ादी तान मिलती है जब मनुष्यता आज़ाद हो. It means remembering that freedom doesn't come with independence. It means remembering that freedom is not our right, it is our responsibility.
But we must not stop at honoring the past. We must inspire the future. A future where freedom means more than a choice. It means an opportunity for all. A future where development doesn't come at the cost of dignity. A future where unity is not uniformity, but a celebration of our diversity.
A future where we don't just ask what India can do for us, but what we can do for India. To the youth, the proud heroes of tomorrow, our freedom fighters dreamed of an India that would shine as a light in the world. That light now rests in your hand.
Your innovation, your empathy, your leadership and your resilience will define the next chapter of this nation. युवा वो बीज हैं जिनसे भविष्य का भारत जन्म लेता है. So let us test today, not just to celebrate freedom, but to strengthen it, to make justice more accessible, education more meaningful, and progress more inclusive.
Let us build an India where every dream has a path and every voice a platform. May the pride of being Indians live in our hearts forever. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Happy Independence.
Without liberty is like a body without spirit. 22nd April 2025 at Pahalgam, Jammu Kashmir, a terrible incident took place in the history of India. The merciless killing of 26 innocent tourists just because of the religion they belong to. This was the Pahalgam attack. But soon, our government took revolutionary steps against terrorism by launching Operation Sindhu on 7th May, causing severe damage and destruction to the military power of Pakistan. Now, presenting a bold and dramatic act based on the Pahalgam attack, a tribute to the brave souls and a reminder of the cause of freedom.
एक बार फिर दहला जब पहलगाम की घाटी में छोड़ा आतंकी हमला 22 अप्रैल 2025 ਨੂੰ ਦੁਪਹਿਰ ਦੇ ਕਰੀਬ 2 ਵਜੇ ਇਸ ਘਾਟੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੰਜਨਾ ਸੈਲਾਨੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੀ ਸੁਪਨਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੋਏ ਹੋਏ ਸਨ ਹਰ ਪਾਸੇ ਚਹਿਲ ਪਹਿਲ ਸੀ ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਸਨ ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕ ਸੈਲਫੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਸਨ ਅਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਇਸ ਖੂਬਸੂਰਤ ਘਾਟੀ ਦਾ ਆਨੰਦ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਸਨ ਸਭ ਖੁਸ਼ ਸਨ ਤੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸਨ ਅਚਾਨਕ ਘਾਟੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੋਲੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੁਣੀ ਗਈ ਅਚਾਨਕ ਆਤੰਕੀ ਹਥਿਆਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਲੈਸ ਝਾੜੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਕੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਘੇਰ ਲਿਆ ਅਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਮਜ਼ਹਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਤੇ ਮੌਤ ਦਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਖੇਡ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਇਨਸਾਨੀਅਤ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਰਮਸਾਰ ਕਰਕੇ
आगे इधर हो जाओ और आगे उधर हो जाओ जल्दी करो
ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਚੁੱਪ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੌਤ ਦੇ ਘਾਟ ਉਤਾਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ मुझे भी मार दो प्लीज क्यों किया ऐसा तुमने क्यों
नहीं मैं तुम्हें नहीं मारूंगा और ना ही मैं इसकी वजह बताऊंगा
मेरे प्यारे भाइयों बहनों, मैं बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, इन्होंने
the visionary leader of our institution, our well-deserved director, Reverend Father Sebastian, to please step forward and share words of wisdom.
और सज्जनों, मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, सबको मेरा प्रणाम। आज हम आजादी दिवस मना रहे हो। इसका मतलब कुछ लोगों का कुर्बानी हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, कुछ देशभक्तों की कुर्बानी हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, कुछ देश के नागरिकों के दुख, तकलीफ और समस्याओं की नतीजा आज हम आजादी दिवस के तौर पे मना रहे हैं। उन सब लोगों को मैं आपके साथ प्रणाम करता हूं। उनकी निश्चय, उनकी निडर, उनकी हिम्मत इस देश को आजाद कर दिया। हम कितने भाग्यवान वाले हैं कि ऐसी इस मुकाम तक पहुंचे हैं। उनकी लगन, जुनून और उनकी स्वाभिमान से आप सब वही स्वाभिमान के हिस्सा बन रहे हैं। आज इस दिन, इस दिवस मनाते हैं। इसलिए मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप बहुत शांति से मेरा ये कथन सुन रहे हैं। आप यहाँ ये याद करो कि मैं क्या अच्छा किया है मेरे देश के आजादी दिवस मनाने के लिए। आप सोचेंगे मेरे देश के लिए मैं क्या किया, किसी और की कुर्बानी मैं मना रहा हूँ, खुशी मना रहा हूँ, नाच रहा हूँ, गीत गा रहे हैं, सारा कुछ बोल रहे हैं। मेरा योगदान क्या है इस देश की आजादी के लिए? मेरा योगदान क्या है? आपने सोचा? नहीं सोचा? आज सोच लीजिए, क्योंकि आप जैसे बहुत बच्चों के माँ बाप आपके देश की आजादी के लिए अपनी जान कुर्बान किया है। आप जैसे बहुत बच्चे रोए हैं, बहुत बच्चे अपनी छाती पिटवा के रोए हैं कि मेरे माँ बाप कहाँ हैं। वो लोगों को, वो बच्चों को अपने माँ बाप को नहीं मिला क्योंकि वो लोग अपने देश की आजादी के लिए अपनी जान कुर्बान किया, अपने बच्चों के बारे नहीं सोचा, अपने खुद की खुशी के बारे नहीं सोचा। जैसे टागोर की एक कविताएं में कुछ अलग है, एक बेटी ने सुनाई है, जब मन आजाद हो देश आजाद होंगे। बुराइयों के जड़ हमारे मन में, वो मन से आप साफ होंगे, तब आप भी, आपके परिवार भी, आपके समाज भी, आपके स्टेट भी, आपके देश भी आजाद होंगे। इसलिए आजादी दिवस मनाया है। मेरा एक बेनती है, हक है कि आप उस बने। आपके इस समय के जुनून, ताकत, शक्ति, अकल, समझ, इन सब चीजों के लिए आप इस्तेमाल करें, फिर हमारे देश आजाद हो जाएंगे, सही तौर पे आजाद होंगे। वही आजादी के लिए हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं, आप लोगों को तैयारी करा रहे हैं। यही उम्मीद रखते हुए कल आप बनोगे इस देश की महिमा का जब अभिमान का एक चिन्ह। वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए God bless you all. So being said this, let me come to my language. I hope you are listening. So dear students, teachers and sisters, I appreciate all your wonderful efforts to make it a remarkable one. To remember all those freedom fighters. To give tribute worthily, you all contributed your efforts, your speech, your participation, your dance, your songs, your music, your all actions that show that you love your country. That love, let it continue in every action of yours. And let our country, India, be the first place to live and to enjoy. So I appreciate once again everybody, all sisters, all teachers, all background, everybody supporting staff, and all you worked hard for many days. It really brought fruit. It's all
Sacred day of our nation's independence, I pledge to uphold the ideals of freedom, unity and equality. I will honor the sacrifices of our martyrs by serving my country with honesty and dedication. I will respect the diversity that strengthens our nation and stand against all forces that divide us. I will protect the environment, preserve our heritage, and contribute to India's progress. With pride in my heart and responsibility in my actions, I promise to be a worthy citizen of the Republic of India for today, for tomorrow, and for generations to come. Jai Hind.
Dance, but we have been doing up as we come to the closing moments of today's celebration. We now present the vote of thanks expressing appreciation to everyone who made this event a grand success. I would like to thank the dignitaries of the day, Reverend Father Sebastian Palasheri, the director of our school. We are glad to have a person like him whose guidance and values of teamwork makes every event a successful one. I immensely thank our Reverend Sisters. Your thoughtfulness has paid back. Your words have truly prompted us to visualize